In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Monday.com on your PC. If you've ever wanted to access Monday.com directly from your desktop, without having to open a web browser each time, you're in the right place. This process is quick and easy, and in just a few minutes, you'll have everything you need set up. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you normally use. Once you're ready, head over to the search bar and type in Monday.com Desktop App. Hitting enter should bring up a variety of results. What we're looking for is the dedicated support page for the Monday.com Desktop App. This is where you'll find the official sources to download the application safely. Once you've found the support page, take a moment to look around for a section specifically dedicated to desktop apps. You'll see options for different operating systems. If you're using a Windows PC, click on the link or button that says Windows or Desktop Application for Windows. For our Mac using Friends, you'll want to go ahead and select Desktop App for Mac. For this video, we'll be focusing on the Windows version. So, once you've clicked the appropriate option, the download for the Windows executable file, commonly known as the .exe file, should begin almost instantaneously. If it doesn't start automatically, you might see a prompt to confirm the download. Just go ahead and click Download or Save File, depending on your browser. As soon as the file has finished downloading, you're going to want to open it. You can do this directly from your browser, often by clicking on the download bar at the bottom or top of your screen. Alternatively, you can navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. Click on the Monday.com setup file to get started. With the setup file open, follow the on-screen instructions to install the Monday.com app on your PC. You'll likely be asked to choose an installation option, whether you want the app to be available for just your user profile or for all users on your computer. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Once the installation process is complete, you'll see a Finish button. Click this to launch the Monday.com application. The app should open automatically, bringing you straight to the login page. From here, you can log in with your existing Monday.com credentials and start working more efficiently, straight from your desktop. And there you have it. An easy, step-by-step guide to downloading Monday.com on your PC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Happy organizing!